So this video has three topics. Number one, present. Number two, future. And number three, past. As of today, 17 December 2023, it's been finally 1 month since I'm on this channel. And I'm very happy to tell you that it's the first time that I've stick to this thing that long. It's more like an achievement for me because when I started the channel and I made my first video, I said to myself that I will make 30 or 31 videos daily and I will post those videos, which I did. As of 17 December 2023, I'm very happy to tell you about the statistics of our channel. So in 1 month, I got 2500k views with 47.6 watch hour time and plus 65 subscribers, which is a very big achievement for me, for a person like me who doesn't know about anything content creation, who doesn't know about anything storytelling, who doesn't know about anything about vlogs. Now let's talk about the future. So I have a lot of plans regarding the future, but mainly I will focus on quality content rather than quantity. And that's because in 1 month I was just experiment all kind of things that what can I do and what I cannot, what things should I improve and what should not. And all those things I think that I've experienced in 1 month. Now I'm gonna focus on the quality content rather than quantity. So I'm not gonna upload daily, rather I'm gonna upload twice or thrice a week or maybe once. And that's because I will gonna make the quality content. And obviously if I make it a quality content, you guys will appreciate that and you will gonna love that as well. So that's why I'm thinking to go in that direction. Now let's talk about the past. So in the past, I've started a lot of channels, gaming, roasting, wines, and vlogging as well. But I never stick to any kind of channel for this much time. And this is the first time that I will stick to this thing. And as I said, it's more like achievement for me. So I'm gonna stick with this thing for the rest of my life. So there's the thing. I hope you enjoyed the video. In the future, a lot of things are gonna come. I cannot say right now, and I'm working on a lot of things these days. Just hope for the best for me, and see ya. Bye bye.